What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually gonna be working on the Mini Coupe, and I'll show you what we're doing. We're actually gonna be doing a lot of stuff with the Mini Cooper today, but it's all gonna be individual videos. So today we're gonna be doing some new HID bulbs. What you're gonna need for this is clearly the bulbs, and this is a 2011 Mini Coupe Countryman All4S. A lot of stuff to say coming out of that, but this is my wife's car. I'm actually today working on for her Christmas gift. I bought her a bunch of stuff, but one of the things she wanted to do was start doing stuff to the Mini Coupe. So we're gonna be doing a cold air intake. We're gonna be doing a diverter valve that goes down here, headlights, window tint. This car is gonna be getting kind of the works done on it. But anyways, point of the story is we're gonna go over really quick how to put in new HID bulbs, and these particular ones have fans built into them. And you may ask, why did you get the ones with fans? Well, it keeps them cool, makes them last longer, and again, it's just better for, you know, the light bulb, because it can get super hot up in here when it's an LED. Probably actually gonna clean these off pretty good too, maybe buff them and stuff, to get that yellowish tint off. Or they might just be dirty. I don't know, we'll see. I'll clean them. Either way, that's why I went with these. So we're gonna just kind of go through really quick how to install these, what you need to do. And it's a really simple, you know, modification you could do to add some, little, you know, a little bit better look to your car. So again, these are just the HID ones. And again, it has built-in fan. So that's why I went with these. Last longer, keeps the light cool. So first thing you're gonna do is come over here. You'll just pop this little cover off. It has one on each side. There's one over here and one over there for that headlight. I'm gonna put my hand in, and then I'm gonna rotate my hand to the left. Do you see how it turned? It's gonna pull out the light. And there's the light. So to undo the light, actually I replaced this bulb not too long ago, so it kind of stinks, but oh well. You're gonna press down this little tab right there. So I'm gonna set this down so I can press on the tab, kind of show you. So we're gonna come over here, find the little tab. Like I said, there's the tab. Press on it, pops out. So I'm gonna take the new light. I'm gonna plug the light in. As you can see, there's like the little hook thing right there. Plug the light in. Then I'll take it, feed the wires back in. I'm gonna aim for the hole, and then I'm gonna go the opposite of how I undid it, so clockwise. So I'm gonna get it lined up, and this is a little bit more difficult if you have big hands, but it's not horrible. So it's in. Let's see, now I just gotta turn it. Oh, I guess it's not in yet. There we go. So I'm gonna turn on the lights for the car really quick. See if we can see the difference. All right, the lights are on. So now you can kind of hear it. Fans kicked in already, really bright compared to yellow. And again, it's got a little built-in fan, so once it starts getting pretty hot, it'll, like I said, it'll kick itself on and it'll start cooling the light. So really simple, really easy modification to do to your car. I'm just gonna turn this off, and it's off. So yeah, that's you know, how to do a quick, easy light bulb change in your car. Once you're done, like I said, you can see the leftover wires kind of sticking out right here. Feed those back in, grab the cover again, make sure the top clips, and you're done. Again, take it off, just pull that clip down, you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, it one, will help give you better visibility on the road. 2, it makes the car look a little bit more modern. And 3, like I said, it's just I prefer the white light over the yellow. So like I said, it's a quick, easy modification to do on your Mini Cooper or any car, but this is specifically for the Mini Cooper Countryman. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And then I just bought these on eBay for like $28. So just look on eBay, and then you can find some lights. Again, just look for the ones that have the built-in fan. little bit better quality and stuff. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.